and the dawn of a new beginning. Apocalypse, Rise of the Resistance, coming soon.
Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to create a movie trailer using AI, a step-by-step guide. Are you interested in discovering the process behind creating a movie trailer like the one you have just seen? If so, stay with us until the end, as we will guide you through the surprisingly straightforward process of creating your own movie trailer. But before we get started on this exciting journey, if you are eager to explore the latest and most user-friendly AI tools, as well as how to effectively utilize them, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you will not only stay updated with our tutorials, but also provide us with the support needed to produce more informative and engaging videos. So, without further ado, let us embark on this creative endeavor. The initial and crucial step in the process of crafting our movie trailer is to create a script that forms the narrative backbone of the trailer. To accomplish this, I will use the assistance of ChatGPT, a versatile AI tool. We asked ChatGPT to generate a script for a fictional trailer, specifically one centered around the theme of an apocalypse, and asked it to provide image prompts for each scene. In a matter of seconds, ChatGPT delivered a script that beautifully set the stage for our movie trailer storyline. As an additional organizational step, I separated the image prompts and the narrator's text, a practice that would prove immensely helpful during the later stages of the project, facilitating the easy copying and pasting of content. With our script in hand, the next crucial aspect is to breathe life into it through the incorporation of visually stunning images. To achieve this, I turned to the capabilities of a tool called Leonardo AI, which specializes in image generation. Here is how it was done. I selected the AI image generation feature, then pasted the script into the platform. Subsequently, I opted to employ the Dream Shaper model and adjusted the aspect ratio to the industry standard 16:9 format. After making these selections, I simply clicked the Generate button, and in a mere matter of seconds, I was presented with an array of striking images that perfectly complemented our narrative. Furthermore, for those who desire to further enhance the quality of these images, the tool offers the option to click on the upscaled images, enabling the viewer to observe finer details up close. Once satisfied with the result, it is easy to save them to your computer by clicking the Download button. You can do this for all the other image prompts too, which makes sure your movie trailer looks great and comes alive on the screen. To add a voiceover to our video, we utilize 11 Labs. You can choose a suitable voice from their library. Then simply copy and paste the script generated by ChatGPT. Select Generate, and then click the Download button. The AI will create the audio file for you. Now, let us bring those generated images to life. We visited a website called Pika.art and used it to create a video from the images. So, just click on the text box and add the images you have downloaded in the Leonardo AI earlier, and then hit enter, and it will then generate your video. Once it is done, you can download it to your computer, then just repeat the process for the remaining images. We use CapCut to edit our video. First, select an empty video section and upload all the videos we created with Pika, as well as the audio file. Arrange the video scenes in the order you want them to appear in the movie. Adjust the playback speed to match your preferences, and remove any blurriness to make the video look more professional. Repeat this process for all the scenes in your video. After finishing the editing, add the audio file, and then click Share to download the final video to your device.
In a world on the brink, when order crumbled and the heavens unleashed their fury, humanity found unity in the darkest of times. But new threats emerged, and survival demanded sacrifice. One hero emerged to lead the resistance. In a world teetering on the edge, hope prevails. This is the apocalypse and the dawn of a new beginning. Apocalypse, Rise of the Resistance, coming soon.
Isn't it incredible how AI can accomplish so much in under an hour? I am really interested in hearing what you think. Did you like the trailer? Are you inspired to make your own movie trailer? If you decide to give it a shot, please don't hesitate to share your thoughts and insights in the comments. I am genuinely excited to hear about your experiences, and your valuable feedback could be a source of guidance for those considering trying it out as well. Thank you for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope this video helps you out, and see you in the next video.